It's my day off, so I want to go to my friend Jane's to cook some food. Well, I decided to change to a smaller basket so I won't buy too much stuff. Okay, some cilantro, some green onions. I didn't expect that to happen. Some yotai, more yotai, some onion, bell pepper. Ooh, look at that baby. Some lemons. Let me organize it a little bit. Yay! Got some cucumber, my favorite. Okay. More cucumber. Some sausage. That's Jane. Hey. I need to wash this right now so I can cook it. Some sesame oil and some spicy stuff, my favorite. And Jane's gonna make a circle. Okay. I'm gonna wash all these cucumbers. Looks so good. Let me try it. Not bad. Okay, I'm gonna cook some egg for my egg fried rice. Here's some stuff for making the salad. And the egg's ready. Okay, let me cook some sausage. I'm gonna put it in my salad too. Okay, ignore that chopstick. Okay, cut that onion. I'm gonna cook some fried rice right now. Yeah, I have to cook this rice a day before so it will taste good when I make the fried rice. And now mix the egg and fried rice together. Mix them good and put a little bit of soy sauce. Simple and easy. Now it's ready to eat. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna cook the yotai. It's a lot of yotai, but once you cook it, it becomes a little small yotai. Okay, a little bit of soy sauce. Gives it good flavor. Okay, now I'm gonna make my favorite salad. A little bit of that spicy stuff, a little bit of soy sauce and sesame sauce and a little bit of salt, and mix them good. See, I always like to make the thing simple. Simple is easy and it tastes good too. And now I'm gonna make some salad. Okay. Tuna salad, the cucumber salad, and mushroom. Now we're ready to eat.